to do when you do your makeup is foundation. You do not want to use too much of this because then it will get really messy. You'll have to wash it off, start over. So let me open my foundation. I'm still a kid, but I know how to do makeup. And I do my own makeup. As all as you need to rub this little pad what comes in the foundation. And then you just do this. Just tap it. And then you just rub it in. Just like this. And then that's how you...
I told you before to think bigger. You could have been the most powerful man in the room. But now I hold the lamp.
You gotta do all over. And if you need a little bit more, that's okay. By the way, my face is super big. That's why. Well, the only reason I'm far real back because I'm a big far table. Which is, you can't tell that my face is not that big. There. Okay. And then when you're done rubbing it in, you always want to put on something that you have to let this dry for a couple of minutes, right? You don't have to let this dry, but if you wanted to, you could. We're also going to learn this at the end. Learn how to paint our fingernails and toenails, which is my toenails are already painted. I'm pretty sure y'all already know how to paint your toenails. I'm going to teach you how to paint your fingernails. I am. And then, second thing I'm going to do is this eyeshadow, as you can see. And I got this brush from my Aunt Nina. You can see. And by the way, I'm going to use my dark pink, a ton of my dark pink. Because this pink's really pretty, see? Right there. It's super duper pretty. I also got that peach and that light pink. But I'm going to do my dark pink.
Most powerful being in the universe. Coming right up.
Keep talking.
And how does this look? Does it look pretty good? Okay. Another side is going to be the same color, but we're going to like mix up the eyeshadow because that's what you're supposed to when you're doing makeup. And by the way, I'm going to be picking up this afternoon, go home, and I'm going to do the same thing. Do this kind of video because I'm going to take my makeup home. Yay! And then the same color that I just did this side. And then I'm just going to put it on my eyelid. And then I'm just going to swipe it across here. It's so awesome doing makeup because it's super duper fun. And by the way, my Nina's here. But she's accidentally telling me what to do, whispering, but it's okay. And I do not know how I'm going to get all this makeup on my eyes. But I'm not going to do the whole thing. And I also got this oily stuff that goes on your eyes that makes your eyes a little glittery. And this brush, you do not want to use the same brush for your eyeshadow that on this stuff because it will not be good. Because that's what will ruin your makeup, right? And by the way, you do not want to do that. It'll ruin your makeup fast.
So much.
Like the second day you try to do your makeup, it'll be ruined.
Alright, keep on. Put your makeup on.
And then I'm doing my makeup. As I'm doing my makeup, I just swipe it across like this.
That's a bit of a mess there, Blue. Let me take care of that for you.
They can't see you when you're over there.
And then
No long faces, all right.
I am, by the way, I'm doing my makeup.
Loyalty was the right idea, okay? We should just rip on that a little bit. All right, here's what I'm thinking.
Okay.
Warrior prince.
Enough of that part. And now I'm going to do a little bit of the silver oil glittery stuff because I have this silver kind.
The cream.
The cream.
I hear you loud and clear. But
This is cream too. The one I showed you earlier, it's cream. I forgot what it was called. I thought it was called oil stuff, but it's not. It's called cream.
But you say the words, and this law just kind of like
Wait, help me.
goes away. You and the princess in it together forever.
Thank you.
It's silver.
Make the law disappear.
And it's this color,
Like it never existed.
silver.
All right.
And then I'm just going to carefully rub
Last
it
switch.
a little.
Genie?
I'm ready. Hold on. Here we go.
And then we're just going to rub it on our eye just like that.
To set you free.
It's falling down a little bit, guys. So that's why I had to fix you. This brush is way too thick, but at least I have to use it. And then we're just going to put this on this brush to do my other eye.
Some jams.
Then I'm going to put the phone up close to my eyes so y'all can see my whole entire makeup, how I did it. That Genie's happy that it's set free.
I'll do everything.
And then we just slide. Okay? Kind of makes your eyes feel a little weird, but it'll stop, right? My aunt gave me some of this makeup, so did my Aunt Nina. And
Your
then
Nina. I'm not your Nina. Your Nina.
If you'll have it.
When do we leave? Also, I want children.
And then the next thing I'm going to do is my blush. So we're going to use blue for my blush this time.
Stories and songs.
We'll have a boat.
A large one with multiple levels.
Which
of
color do you
magnificent
think,
sails.
guys?
Think it will. Smaller.
Green, blue, or pink? Okay.
Sit with me, my child. I'm sorry.
Why are you
There's no affection. I fear
Gonna rub our 2 fingers on there and do.
mother.
Swipes.
On my soul was my little girl, not the woman you have become. If she
Try to make it where they can see it.
courage and strength,
They got money and you got enough.
what the future our father will.
And you gotta rub it in.
You shall be the next sultan.
Oh.
Then just rub it in.
Thank you, Papa.
As sultan, you may change the law. He is a good man.
Okay. The last part is lipstick. This is my favorite part. Lipstick is my favorite part. And only the last part for my eyes is...
It's gonna cut you off.
Okay. But I got this goldish too. And then I'm going to politely rub it on my eyes.
Stop, thief. Your sultan commands it.
Sultan? Does that mean I'm in trouble?
Only because you got caught.
Okay. Now here you can see me up close. That way you can see